Is your Windows 11 PC lagging like it's stuck in 2010? Games freezing. Programs taking forever. Watch this, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to add virtual RAM and instantly boost performance without upgrading hardware. And yes, this trick works on old laptops too. What virtual RAM actually is. Your RAM is basically your PC's short-term brain. But when it runs out, Windows panics. Virtual RAM gives your PC backup memory using your storage, SSD or HDD. It won't be as fast as real RAM, but if you're lagging, this can seriously help smooth things out. Why games lag when RAM is low? Games load textures, assets, shaders, and when your RAM is full, they start choking. Virtual RAM tells Windows, relax, I've got extra space ready. So instead of freezing or crashing, your apps borrow memory from your drive. How much virtual RAM you should add. Recommended values. If you have 4 GB RAM, add 4096 MB 4 GB. If 8 GB RAM, add 6-8 GB. If 16 GB RAM, add 4 GB just for stability. Use this formula. Initial size equals RAM by 1.5. Maximum size equals RAM x 3. Step 1. Open System Settings. Search Advanced System Settings. Click View Advanced System Settings. Step 2. Performance Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Step 3. Virtual Memory. Click Change. Step 4. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Important to mention this visually. Step 5. Select your main drive. Step 6. Set custom size. Enter the initial size. Enter the maximum size. Show recommended examples again. Step 7. Press OK. Restart your PC. This is where they feel the reward. Now check this out. Before adding virtual RAM, my system was hitting 100% memory while gaming. After setting the custom size, the RAM usage dropped and the FPS became stable. Best virtual RAM settings for gaming. Use a fixed value like 4096 to avoid fragmentation. SSD versus HDD difference. Virtual RAM on an SSD is way faster, almost like having extra physical RAM. When not to use virtual RAM. If you already have 32 GB of RAM, skip this trick, it won't make a difference. And that's how you boost your Windows 11 performance using virtual RAM. If your PC is now smoother, drop a comment saying boosted. And if you want more real-world Windows fixes and gaming performance guides, make sure to subscribe, I've got some powerful stuff coming.